Shane from Global Market Trader. Welcome back. This is our US session update from 1600. So we're looking to take our first trade setup after 1600. Now I'm going to take you through the T2s and the T3 setup. So the T2 setup was a sell here at, and we'll just mark this up at 62.61. Now that trade pushed down nicely, so a nice little double top there. We had divergence on the setup, and it hit its 10, 14, and 20 point targets, but we're looking to trail, so we would have got knocked out of that trade at 62.47. And you can see there on the trade it's plus 14 for the first trade, so good start for this time through the 1601.02. So this is what we'll be trading live in the room every night. So we'll be tracking the Renko. Now the next setup was a T2 buy setup. Just here you've got you've got divergence, you've got a double bottom forming there, and we get a nice push up at 62.47, but straight away this market turns and pushes back down and takes us out of the trade. So that is there is a 12-point loser. So we're now plus 2, and quick winner, quick loser. Now we have a circuit breaker in our session, so it's 2 winners and done / 2 losers and done. So we definitely want to apply our circuit breaker. So with one losing trade, we've only got one more to go, and then we're finished for the session. And we actually get another buy setup here, another T2 buy setup, and that triggers in there at 62.49. So we push that up to 51. So pushing that up to divergence. Now with this trade setup, we push up, and same story as this setup here, we just fail away. So we're not always going to get the good running trades on the DAX, and not every trade is going to be a winner. So we just have to prepare ourselves for the fact that we are going to get losing sessions. And the idea is that with this strategy, we've got a superior reward to risk on our trade. So some of our trades are netting out 2 to 1, 3 to 1 on our reward to risk. So we're happy to, well, not happy, but we accept that we're going to have losing sessions, because we know that our objective is to make 50 plus points a week. And if we stick to our plan and our strategy, and we take the trades as they set up, we'll achieve our objectives. So we have to have our circuit breaker. So it doesn't feel great to have a losing trade or a losing session, but we finish our session with down on the day, down 12, and that's it. That's our circuit breaker. We're done for the session, and we will occasionally get a loser, and I'll be posting these video updates every day. Happy to share with you the winners and the losers. Obviously tonight's US session, a loser. We had a good winning session on the European at 434, but from 1600 onwards, and obviously there are traders who are trading from 1500, which you would have had a nice session there with a couple of winners. But I wanted to show you the session we'll be recording and trading, because I think it's important that we just make sure that we record all of our live sessions and do a regular update. So yeah, thank you for your time, everybody, and I look forward to catching you on the next update.